Yesterday, the council held its monthly meeting for July. First on the agenda was the renovation of the Oxford Museum and JC building. The council approved a new entrance and toilets for the building with a budget of $125,000, with $15,000 being contributed by the Oxford Museum. The new entranceway will access the museum from the car park on the western wall of the building. The council also approved the draft Kaiapoi Town Centre plan for public consultation. This document will, for the first time, plan for the future of the mixed-use business areas, formerly residential red zone, and find ways to integrate them into the current town centre. The consultation will be widely advertised in Kaiapoi and nearby townships and is expected to take place over August. The multi-use indoor sports facility took another step forward yesterday as councillors approved staff to engage architects Warren and Mahoney and quantity surveying firm AECOM. After the design phase is underway, the council will put the procurement and construction stages out to tender, with completion of the facility targeted for the end of 2020. Councillors also approved contracting out the operations and maintenance of Southbrook Resource Recovery Park and Oxford Transfer Station to a private waste business, with the option of having a community group manage the resource recovery activities. This is similar to the existing contracts, however it will also allow the council and contractor to partner with a community organisation to reduce waste. The council was also updated on the rollout of the expanded Your Choice curbside collection service. In the coming weeks, owners of properties in curbside collection areas will be receiving a card which will allow them to select which collection service they would like for their property. The service is expected to start operation from July next year. The next council meeting will take place on Tuesday, 7th of August.